I ran into this last week here, so I fixed it for me. Updating billing information on PayPal is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find and click on the Payments tab. Here you will see your current payment methods. Step 4. Update billing information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message once it's successful. Sometimes, the changes may not reflect immediately, so double check your billing section after a few minutes. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble keeping your PayPal account up to date. Happy transacting!